If you want to record in Audacity with a microphone, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to get your mic set up properly, check your levels, and start recording in Audacity with clean, clear audio. This is perfect if you're making voiceovers, podcasts, tutorials, or any kind of audio recording at home. And before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, connect your microphone to your computer. This could be a USB microphone, an audio interface, or any microphone your system recognizes. Once your mic is plugged in, open Audacity. When Audacity loads, look at the top toolbar and find the Audio Setup button. This is where you choose your recording device and input settings. Click Audio Setup, then hover over Recording Device. You should see a list of available microphones. Click the name of your microphone to select it. This tells Audacity to use that mic instead of your computer's built-in microphone, which is especially important if you want better sound quality. Next, go to the microphone icon in the recording meter. Click it, then click Start Monitoring. This is a really useful step because it lets you watch your input levels before you actually record. Now speak into your microphone as you normally would. As you talk, watch the green bars on the meter. For the best quality, you want those bars to stay somewhere between -18 and -12. If the levels are too low, your audio may sound weak or noisy. If they go too high and hit the red area, your recording can distort or clip. So take a moment to test your voice and adjust your distance from the microphone if needed. Once your levels look good, click the red record button to begin recording. Speak clearly and naturally and try to maintain a steady distance from the mic. When you're finished, click the black stop button. That ends the recording and gives you a chance to review what you captured. Now, there's one more important setting you should check for a single microphone setup. Go back to the Audio Setup button, then hover over Recording Channels. From there, click one mono recording channel. Mono is the standard choice when you're recording with a single microphone or a single voice because it keeps the audio centered and simple. After choosing mono, click the red record button again if you're ready to make another recording with the correct channel setting applied. And that's it. You now know how to record in Audacity with a microphone, monitor your levels, choose the right input, and set your channel to mono for a clean recording setup. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Audacity tips, and I'll see you in the next one.